The next honoree is Ms. Sarah Anderson. She has developed our city by redesigning our economic value chain. Please give a warm welcome to Ms. Anderson.
My father used to work at a manufacturing plant. He was the typical stubborn guy. But there's something that he taught me. A factory is not only a place to produce what you see. What is essential is invisible to the eye. I had no idea what he meant. I was only 7. His work was away from home, so he was barely around. He frequently missed my birthdays. Who would like that kind of father?
Daddy's so sorry I missed your birthday party. There's something I haven't told you yet, but I need you to understand. What Daddy makes at his factory is not just a simple motor. The truth is, it's a very special motor. One that moves the future. You can't see it just yet, but it's already in motion. I know that while I'll be busy working, you'll be growing by the second. And I also know I might not always be able to celebrate your future birthdays with you too. While you're learning about the world, I'll be fully focused on my job. Both society and the world are constantly changing. And I know that might mean that I get to miss some of those precious moments with you. But I'll always keep moving forward. Because what I move is our future. Your future, Sarah. By the time you start working in the world, things will be much more efficient, and more people will have access to what you create. I want you to contribute to people and society and the future of humankind. Of course, also to spend time with your family and be happy. Because your happiness is my happiness. That's Daddy's job.
A factory is not just a place for manufacturing. It's a place for building our future. This present is built by manufacturers, and this is their future. Their special motor has expanded our horizons, and this is our time.
Digital technology has helped us move quickly to market and provide more positive experiences for users.
Partnerships between people and our community will strengthen this relationship. My father and his team laid the foundations. My job is to propel the future that they envisioned, to build a better society and a greater future together.
This honor helps us take a step forward. Our future is approaching as I speak. Thank you, Dad.